stay hot when I'm doing my hair, don't I? Hey honeys, welcome back. Hey, it's been a minute. I missed y'all if y'all didn't miss me, but hey, here I go. Okay, y'all, so pop, smoke, them. Ooh, hit myself in the face, y'all. Okay, so if you are new here, I'm Brittany. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Come back and see me. Tell a friend though. Then you tell that friend to tell a friend. Then y'all know the rest, okay? So we're gonna get right into these pop smoke braids, y'all. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. I love them. Enjoy this. We popping smoke, even though for me, because I'm an 80s baby, the person that used to wear their hair like this would be Snoop Dogg for me. You know, Snoop Dogg, Snoop Lion, Snoop, Calvin. Is it Broadus or Brodus? Calvin, Mr. Calvin, okay? So look, let's get to it. Okay, honeys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the products that I use for this style. I use the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Whole, my blend of oils, as well as the My Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. And I also tried a new hair this time from Amazon, and it's called Seriya hair. As you can see, it is a pre-stretched hair, and I'm using 1B and 30 blend. The ends of this hair is a pretty brown color, so I really enjoyed that. My hair is already washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried, and I did leave my hair like this for a couple of days, so I decided to go ahead and put some additional leave-in in my hair, which I feel like was a mistake for these braids in particular because they're so big. The leave-in conditioner made my hair just poof up pretty much after I put it in. You'll see that throughout this video, but nonetheless, the next time that I do these braids, I'll make sure that I do not add another leave-in, or I'll do a butter or something on my hair versus something that's more watery, so that my hair does not try and revert while it's in these braids. So for me, it was a great idea to pre-section my hair before I started braiding. And again, you're seeing the shot of this braiding hair. So when I started, what I did was I used half of a pack for each braid. So that means I use a total of 4 packs of the Seriya hair for this hairstyle. In each section that I use for the braids, I separated them into 10 to 11 pieces, and I added that many pieces into each braid. So all of those pieces did not get added to the hair that's attached to the head. So how do I explain that? To the cornrow, what I did was I used half of the hair to extend the length of the braids, because I wanted these braids to be pretty long, and I wanted the density of the braids to be about the same until the very end. So here I am about to reapply some more leave-in, and you'll see that my hair is going to revert. So I definitely should not have done this, and then we're going to get right into braiding this hair. Oh my gosh, will you look at this? I mean, my hair looks like it was only blow dried on cool setting and not completely dry. But anyway, y'all, I tried to take my baby hairs out. That does not work for me. I've told you guys before in previous videos that I am not one of those natural hair people that cares to lay my edges. So I just keep them all natural for the most part. So I also want to mention that for this first braid, I braided it differently than I did the 7 other braids on my head. So all of them did get the Shine and Jam around them, and I'm pre-sectioning this hair just to kind of make it a little easier for my fingers as I braid. But I did not use the method where I'm adding one leg of the extension hair into the braid at a time while I did this front braid. So I'm going to go ahead and let you all see how I did this braid. And since you are on YouTube, you have the control to slow this video down if you'd like. So you can slow it down and see what I'm doing, but the way that I did the rest of the braids is going to be a better method, I feel like, for the braids to be seamless. So if you can just stick with me, you'll see that when I turn around and do the back braid, it's going to be a better demonstration of what I did all around. Okay, so just like any other feed-in braids, I did start the first section by separating into 3 and braiding my natural hair down a couple of rotations before adding the hair. I am adding the hair into my pointer finger, and instead of throwing one leg of the hair over my head so that I can just braid in one at a time, I'm just braiding straight down and adding both legs to thicken up this braid. As you can see, the braid turned out just fine, and I do want to make sure and mention that adding shine and jam or some sort of holding gel to the natural hair as you braid down will help the hair stay in the extension hair for a longer duration than it would if you didn't add anything. But again, my hair started to revert because I added that Mielle leave-in conditioner to it, and it's pretty watery. And I think that's a part of the reason why my hair reverted. Not think, but I know. So as I continue to braid this hair down, I'm adding pieces of hair so that I can increase the length as well as maintain the girth of the braid until I get towards the ends, which are thinner because this is pre-stretched hair, and the ends of the hair are thinner. As you can see, this first braid is long. It's a little bit longer than tailbone length. I am so happy with these braids, can you tell? So now we're going to get right to the way that I did the rest of these braids. So you're going to get a detailed view of what I did. So again, if you need to slow this down, adjust those settings. So this first piece that I'm going to separate, I'm going to take 3 smaller sections from that piece, and I'm going to go ahead and braid down 3 times. My pointer finger is in the middle, and that is where I pinch this first hair in and throw the other piece over my head. So you're going to braid down again and then slide that second piece of that leg into the pointer finger and continue to braid down. As you see, I am detangling my hair as I continue to add and braid this hair down because again, my hair reverted. So braiding 1, 2, and that third movement is me detangling and then sliding that second piece of that leg into my pointer finger and continuing to braid all the way down. Yes, one side done. Then I got makeup all over my shirt because I was trying to be cute for this video, but I'm cute anyway. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you a view of me adding this hair from the front so that you can see what I was doing. I know that some people have a very difficult time with braiding their hair with their hands up over their head like that, but I'll just say if you can learn to braid your hair like that, y'all, it's a good arm workout. So if you're on a fitness journey or you just like to work out, hey, do your hair, girl. Let me tell you, it's gonna help you get the muscles to pop in. Not just your arms, but your back too, because baby, my back was tired after this. And in true filming fashion, I'm always losing stuff. All right now, honey, we are done. And as you can see, these braids are a bit stiff. So I'm going to go ahead and mousse my hair. And then I dip my ends in hot water and I blow dried the length of the braids to help the whole braid relax. Stiff wear, y'all. Stiff wear, honey. In order to finish that style off, that blow dryer and the hot water is just necessary. Will you look at that body? Okay, honey, swing and bounce all around the place then. What she want to do with the woo? Hey, hey, woo. She want to wear hair in the woo. Hey, hey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you tell a friend. Y'all come back and see me. I'm sending you all, wishing you all peace, love, and a whole lot of light. Stay prayed up. Stay slayed up. Don't fray it up. Put some heat protectant spray on your hair. Okay, y'all, I'm doing too much. Okay, so bye.